That was the Federal American Eagle mil-spec stuff, and holy crap, that 5.56 almost penetrated that half-inch mild steel at 100 meters. There is significant penetration in that plate. Wow. And here on the AR500, just a little chip. That's the difference between AR500 and mild steel. Okay, so here we have a Dominion 7.62x39 hollow point. It says LCW on the casing, but yeah, you can see this also tests the design of the plate. It's still hung, and you can see that all of that splatter deflected. It hit in the lower part of the plate, where the plate is able to move out of the way a bit faster, and as a result, you can see it still acted the way it's supposed to. We're going to shoot it with some full metal jacket next, and see if we can get some penetration. We see if we shoot it with a lead core and a steel core, see what happens to that mild steel plate. And here we got the AR500 again, and it was also low, and because it was low again, you can see it just left the plate smooth. Didn't even affect the surface at all. I don't know if we got that last impact on camera, but we got a 7.62x39 steel core right here, and it really deformed, and it was right on the other impact. You can see it pushed the other bulge over. It's interesting when you start getting strange impacts or a lot of use on one of these plates. You see that more and more. You get strange deflections and weird angles on the surface of the plate. Whereas AR500, you can see you had another impact, still stay smooth. Okay, we got another 7.62x39. This one's a full metal jacket. Again, another round that hit low, and you can see it just deflected it all straight into the ground. See little bits of the bullets are still starting to pile up down here, but not full penetration, but serious deformation. Let's see in contrast to the AR500. AR500 is totally smooth. That was a full metal jacket. No deformation at all. Okay, so we got another 7.62x39 here. Starting to lose track of which one's which. I think it was this guy, the Russian 7.62x39. Got a lump on the back there a little bit, and then the AR500 is perfectly smooth still. So 7.62x39 in a variety. Doesn't have enough oomph to make it through the mild steel, but you can see does deform the back. And here's the AR500, totally flat on the back, no deformation. .308 soft point, 50 meters. 50 meters, we have almost total penetration, but the steel in the back deformed enough to hold it in. Didn't bust through, but that's about a half-inch hole. And a .308 soft point, 50 meters, did nothing.